Friends, today I will tell you how to install One UI Beta or One UI Stable, One UI 7 Stable or One UI 7 Beta on S23 Ultra. Though this file is only for S23 Ultra, but the procedure is applied to all Samsung devices. First of all, what you need original USB cable, a PC or laptop, or One UI 1 UI 7 file beta are stable and S23 Ultra. As you can see, currently mine is One UI 6.1, Android version is 14. I will update it to One UI 7 beta file. Remember the few things you have to be for installing One UI beta. You have to be on February security pages, and the software version U is YB4. Remember, CYB4. If you are installing One UI 7 beta, if you want to install One UI 7 stable, you have to be on March security pages. So, first of all, what you need is to enable USB debugging. How can we enable USB debugging? Triple tap the build number and it will ask you the code. Now go to developer options. Here you can enable USB debugging. Once the USB debugging is enabled, you have to connect the USB cable with your device. Now, once your device S23 Ultra is connected to the PC, you have to download this file. The link I will provide in the description. Remember, this file is One UI 7 Beta 1. Okay, that we are going to install via ADB on the S23 Ultra on February security pages. If you want to install the One UI 7 stable, you have to be on March security updates. Otherwise, you will get errors and the file will not be installed. So, this file I will provide link in the description. You have to download this, or you can first download this file and then apply the process. Now, what you need then, you need SDK platform tools, Android SDK. This link I will also provide in the description, from where you have to download this. Download SDK platforms and read terms and condition. Download Android SDK platform tools for Windows. I have already downloaded this, so I don't need to download this again. Okay, you have to go to the extract folder where you have downloaded the platform tools, latest platform tools, Windows platform tools. Okay, this file that I have told you already, you have to download. This is S23 One UI S23 Ultra One UI 7 Beta 1 file. What you have to do is to rename this file update.zip. Enable extension if you want to show, or file name extensions enable. If these are not, I am going to once again enable file name extensions. Okay, so remember, rename this only update.zip. Your file must be only update.zip. .zip must be renamed, otherwise you will get error and the file will not be installed. Okay, what you will do is control and press shift key on your keyboard, right click and PowerShell open window, PowerShell windows here. Okay, you will see this command prompt on the PowerShell. Already, first of all, now you have to ADB reboot recovery. Okay, ADB reboot recovery. Control and paste this and then enter. your device will be prompted allow. You have to allow that. The device will be restarted in the recovery mode automatically. Okay. When you are in recovery mode, note you have to select ADB. You have to select it update via ADB. Okay. The next step in the recovery mode is update via recovery. Then you have to this command. Once it is update via recovery, okay, you have this command, select update via recovery. Your device will be rebooted in the recovery mode. Once you are in the recovery, select from there update via recovery or update via ADB. Sorry, update via ADB. Okay, apply update from the recovery. ठीक है. Now your device will prompt you on your device. Now send the package you want to apply. Okay, to the device with ADB Sideload. First of all, now you have to copy and paste this command here. Sorry, I have to no quotation marks here. You will see the serial number of your device. List of devices attached. Serial number is this. Now our device is ready to update via ADB. Now remember, ADB sideload update.zip. But remember, your file must be renamed with update.zip. If there is another name you have given to your file, you will get an error message. So what you have to do is update via recovery this file. Okay, update via zip this file. Okay, I'm going to this file. Now this will take some time to verify the package, and then patch the package. This will take almost 5 to 8 minutes. After that, your device will be rebooted automatically, and enjoy the One UI 7 Beta 1. Now remember, I'm again telling you, if you want to install One UI 7 Beta 1, you have to be on February security pages. If you want to install One UI 7 stable that is already leaked on the internet, you have to be on March security updates. Okay, so this process will take some time, and after some time your device will be rebooted and you can enjoy the One UI 7 Beta 1 on your S23 Ultra device. The process to install update via ADB is the same, though files may be different for any One UI S24 Ultra, S23 Ultra, S22 Ultra. You have to download the file of your relevant file for your device. This link that I have provided is for only One UI S23 Ultra International Model 918B. Okay, so remember to download your relevant file. If there is no relevant file already leaked or available at the internet, you don't touch your device, otherwise you will get a boot loop and your device will restart automatically again and again. Hope so you have enjoyed this video and you have learned how to sideload update your device. If this video is informative for you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.